Did you know electrical is one of the leading causes of house fires? It's a scary thought, I know, but unfortunately, most people aren't aware of the hazards lurking in their own homes. So, especially if you have an older home, it's important to have your wiring checked. When you click below and take our free quiz, you'll discover how safe your home's electrical is. And in less than 5 minutes, you'll get actionable advice that you can use to make your home more safe. So, if you're really serious about having a safe home, you got to find out where your electrical stands. Click below or visit safehomequiz.com to begin your home safety journey.